Every brand starts with an idea. Not in big offices, but in small rooms like this.
Today, technology is everywhere. But instead of helping us, it often distracts us. Too many apps, too much noise, and very little focus. I felt this problem every single day.
That's when the idea of X was born. Not to make more noise, but to create technology that helps people focus, work better, and live calmer lives.
X believes in three things: simplicity over complexity, quality over quantity, and purpose over hype. No fake promises, just honest products.
X designs smart devices and digital tools that are distraction-free, lightweight, and productivity-focused.
Technology should work for you, not control you.
X is not just a brand. It's a long-term vision, a vision where technology supports growth, focus, and balance.
KR does not chase trends. We design products that solve real problems. No unnecessary features, no distractions, only what actually matters.
X is made for students, for creators, for people who want to grow without noise, people who value progress over popularity. Henry, why does X brand exist?
X exists because not everyone wants the fastest device. Not everyone wants the loudest brand. Some people want clarity, some want peace while working, some want technology that supports their goals, not steals their time. X is built for those people.
Ing X was not easy. There were doubts, there were limitations, and there were moments of confusion. But instead of giving up, the focus stayed clear: build something meaningful, even if it takes time.
X does not believe in shortcuts. No overnight success stories, no fake promises. Every step is slow, intentional, and honest. Because real brands are not built in days. They are built with patience.
X is not just about products. It is about people. Students are trying to improve. Creators building their future. Professionals who value focus over fame. X grows with its community.
Every journey looks simple from the outside. But inside, it is full of questions. Will this work? Is this enough? Am I going in the right direction? X accepts these questions, because growth starts with honesty.
X is not built in one day. It is built step by step. Every small improvement matters. Every mistake teaches something. Progress is slow, but it is real.
X does not chase perfection. It focuses on improvement. Being real is more important than being perfect. And learning never stops.
If you are building something of your own, this message is for you.
Take your time, stay honest, and keep moving forward.
This is X. Not loud, not rushed, just real.